Hello everyone, this video is about making a city in Python using turtle module. In this video, I will not explain the whole code, rather I will give you a basic explanation of what this code is about. So this code is about making a city with different buildings like observatory, hotel, bank, pizzeria of different heights and at different positions, such as you can see that this pizzeria building is at side 2, bank building is at side 3, another pizzeria building is at side 4. So now let's see the code. First of all, we have imported three libraries which are turtle, math and random. Then height of the screen is 700 and width of the screen is 1100. Then we have defined the sites in the form of a list for the placement of the buildings. So we have created 10 sites for the placement of the buildings. You can see here as well, there are 10 sites. Then we have choose the background color of the screen, which is sky blue. So this code will make a sun and this piece of code will create the cloud. Then we have make the grid in which we have defined x and y coordinates. So this is the y grid and this is the x grid. Then we have defined some fixed plans for the placement of different buildings of different heights and at different positions. So basically there are 27 fixed plans for the styling of the building. Then we have specified turtle directions like up, down, left, right when the turtle has to move. Then we have created mean shapes with the help of which the buildings will be constructed like rectangle, semicircle, quadrant, triangle, rounded square, door, telescope and window, roof, bank logo, crane section. Next we have made the building with the help of shapes created above. So for observatory building, first of all we have specified the pen size and pen color. Then we have specified the x and y coordinates. Then this observatory building is made using rectangle and two doors. Then for amount of floors, we have used two rectangles. If construction is going on, then there will be a signboard, some sand and a crane. Here you can see this is a crane, there is some sand and there is a signboard. Else condition would be that the building has been constructed, then there would be a quadrant, a semicircle and a telescope. This is a semicircle and this is a quadrant and there is a telescope. Then we have created hotel building, bank building and pizzeria building. In pizzeria building, we have created pizza slice as well. Here you can see as well. This is the pizza slice. Then we have made crane, signboard and some sand. So this is the main function. This function will build the city as per the provided city plan. So that's the basic overview of the code. Just imagining what else you can do with Python, like building a whole city using Python turtle library. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.